We are talking about troubleshooting, and with specific reference to a broken E-clip on the inside of the tool. It is situated on the shaft that goes inside the riveter, and the diagnosis of this will be is after a pop rivet has been riveted, and that would typically be the position where you end your rivet and you're now trying to eject the pop rivet, and you'll see the chamber going all the way forward, and what happens is your shaft just keeps on spinning and it spins out. And there you can see the slot where the E-clip goes on, and that means that the E-clip on this model has now failed, and that's normally due to too high RPM on your drill. RPM is not supposed to go higher than 600 RPM, and or the torque setting on your drill was too high, and that normally causes an E-clip failure. So to remedy this is very easy. What you do is just take a pair of circlip pliers. There is a circlip in the back that retains the bearing. Just put your circlip plier in there, take the circlip out, and then what you will see there is a 3-part bearing. Take just a normal screwdriver, pop the bearing out, like so. Just make sure you keep it in the same sequence. This bearing now goes back onto the shaft. Definitely recommended to rather take the shaft out of your drill. Take a new E-clip, which is a 7.8 millimeter diameter. Slide it on top of the bearing. Take a pair of sharp nose pliers or any other pliers. Just clip it back onto the shaft. Just make sure it goes all the way into the grooves. And there it clips in. Insert your shaft into the riveter housing. Give it a couple of turns forward. Take your circlip and just put it back in. Take a screwdriver and just push it all the way in to make sure that it's properly seated in the groove. Put your riveter back into your drill. Tighten the chuck. After your E-clip has been replaced and your riveter is back into your drill, put your drill in reverse until you see the rivet chamber going forward, and you will hear the clicking sound. Insert your pop rivet, drill in forward, and start riveting. And if you now eject your mandrel, drill in reverse, the mandrel will eject and this stays put, which means your E-clip is retaining the shaft and your drill pop riveter is repaired.